So hey guys, welcome back. It's another recipe from Prime Side, and today we're gonna be seeing how we made this Herbal black soap shampoo and hair wash with hibiscus flowers. And I want to assure you that this is a great recipe. Here is my hibiscus flower. It's kind of humble because I actually plucked this in the evening. I'm actually making this recipe in the evening. So hibiscus is very beautiful for all hair types, and it does a whole lot. It promotes hair growth, it stops hair damage, it stops hair fall and hair breakage, and it strengthens the follicles of hair and a whole lot more. So we're just gonna bring a pot to heat and then add some drinking water to it. Then we are gonna introduce the hibiscus petals into the pot, so we bring this to a boil. New subbies, old subbies, thank you for joining us in this video. I really appreciate you all. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn your notification bell so you can always get our video as we bring you more amazing recipes. And old subbies, thank you very much. So we're gonna bring this to a boil, making sure that the hibiscus is totally boiled and is tea extracted. Now as you can see, we have the hibiscus tea, so we're just gonna bring this down from heat and I'm gonna sieve it out. So here we have our hibiscus tea, and this is the liquid we're going to be using for our hair shampoo. So quickly I'm going to bring in my black soap base, and this is about 100 grams of black soap base. So I'm just going to be cutting this into little pieces so it can easily melt in the water. Black soap is healthy for both skin and hair, and it does a whole lot. It cleans deeply and contains a lot more minerals and nutrients that our skin and hair needs. So I'm just going to introduce this black soap into our hibiscus tea and give it a little shake. This is going to take some time to melt, so I'm just going to leave it overnight to completely melt. Alright, so I'll just cover this with a foil and set it aside till the next day. So here we had the next day, and here is our shampoo, black soap and hibiscus tea, and as you can see, it's already melted, although we have some little particles, but it's fine. So I'm just going to shake this and then sieve out the little particles and sand that may be in the black soap base. I'll sieve this completely, so I'll just get a pure liquid. So this is our pure liquid, and I'm going to be introducing some natural hair herbs to it, and this is our amla powder. I'm adding a tablespoon of amla powder, and then I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of henna powder also. These powders help greatly for hair, and I'll also be going in with one particular hair herb I love so much, which is my neem powder. These three hair herb actually helps a whole lot for hair, promoting hair length, hair strength, and also helping to fight some causes of hair damage and breakage. So after this, I will be going in with my oils. First, my carrier oils, and the first carrier oil here I'm using is my hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is, if I had the herb, I would have added the herb too, but I don't have the herb, so I'm using the oil because it's really nice for hair. And then I'll be adding in my kaka oil. I also have chebe powder, but I'm not adding it because you and I know how much chebe stains, so I'm not going to be adding it in this recipe. And then I'm going to be going with castor oil. Castor oil is one best carrier oil for hair. And then my jasmine hair oil, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon to it. And then after this, I'm gonna be adding my essential oil. Here I have fenugreek, and then my black seed. I'm just adding few drops of this both oils, and also I'm going to be adding my aloe vera oil. So I'm just going to stir this after adding my hair herbs and my hair oil. So I'm going to be adding my fragrance. I advise to use banana fragrance, lavender fragrance, or bubblegum fragrance, because you would actually want your hair to smell nice when you're washing. And also I'm going to be adding my preservative, because this recipe is totally water based, so I would have to preserve this, and I'm adding a tablespoon of my preservative. I'll be going in with a capsule of vitamin E oil. This will act as an additional preservative and a moisturizer for the hair scalps. So I'm not going to stop here. We're going to check the pH of this solution, of this hair shampoo. Hair care product is supposed to have a pH of ranging from 5.5 to 6, and here testing this we have about 7. So we're going to see how we can reduce the pH to the normal range. So I'll be adding some citric acid to this so as to reduce the pH to 5.5. And then each time I add, I just kind of check until I get my balance, which here I got about 6, and I think it's okay. 5.5 to 6 is fine. So our hair shampoo is okay and can be used on the hair now. Checking the pH and trying to balance it is very essential, so we don't have to damage our own hair by ourselves. Also, for the consistency, if you don't like it, you can add a little xanthan gum to make it thicker. I do not want mine thicker, so I think I'll just leave this in this consistency. But if you want it thicker, just go ahead, add some very little xanthan gum. So I'll be transferring this into my container, my shampoo container, and I'm gonna be sharing the testimonies of the shampoo soon on my Instagram page, so you can follow us, so you see those who've used it and how it turned out to be for them. All right, so this is our shampoo for all hair types, natural hair, relaxed hair, whatever. It will help to strengthen the hair, it will promote growth. It also helps to fight hair breakage, hair loss, hair fall, and helps to strengthen the hair follicles. It also fill up edges and also fight hair bacteria and fungi. The soap lathers very well and has a great smell. So you can give this a try. Stay tuned on our Instagram so you get reviews from this shampoo. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you give this video a thumb up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn your notification bell, and leave whatever question you want to ask us under the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. So bye.